Hi, welcome to Ergo Everything, where we discuss RSI solutions for computer users. This is the fourth in a series on keyboard shortcuts. I think this one's going to be pretty quick. It's just on editing text without having to use your mouse. Let's take a look. All right, so we're going to start super basic, but I promise it gets more exciting from here. I just want to point out that if you hit the backspace key, it backs it up this direction. However, if you hit the delete key, it backs it up in this direction. Another basic one, a lot of people know, but again, we'll progressively get more complicated. Control Z allows you to undo actions. Now, navigating through text, for the longest time, I thought that you needed to physically take your mouse and move your cursor. You really don't have to. If you use your arrow keys, you can go down, you can go up, you can go left, right. And if you throw in the control key with the arrow, instead of moving one space at a time, it'll jump from word to word. Next, we've got to highlight the text. Often you need to highlight the text in order to apply some sort of effect to it. So, for example, let's go ahead and highlight this line. We're going to hold down the Shift key and then the arrow key. And if you want to make it go even faster, you can throw in the Control key. Once you have the text highlighted, you can do whatever you'd like with it. So a couple examples are Control B to make something bold, Control I to italicize, Control U to underline. And all of those can be undone by hitting the same keys. Sometimes you have a misspelled word. So right here, this word is misspelled. It's underlined. So if I go ahead and highlight it, normally what I would do before I knew about the keyboard shortcut is I would come hover over it and I would right click. However, that is not strictly necessary. If you hold down the Shift key and F10, that also counts as a right click, and then you can go ahead and pick the correct word. Then, of course, we can do a basic copy and paste. So let me do Shift to highlight, and then it's Control C to copy, and then it's Control V to paste. We can also cut and paste. So we'll highlight, and then we can do Control X, which deletes it and also puts it in your clipboard. And then you can do Control V again to paste. If you want to select all text, you can do Control A, and that selects the entire document. Lastly, once you have any text highlighted, if you hit the Alt key, you generally are going to be given tags that will allow you to use your keyboard to select from the menu. So in this instance, we're going to go ahead and change the font. So I will hit H on my keyboard. And then I want to do the font, so it looks like that is FF. So, and then from here, I could type in the change, or I can search through with the arrow keys. Pretty simple stuff this time, but I can't tell you how many years I went not knowing that you can highlight text with your keyboard and that right-click tip. Hopefully this has been useful. If you have any other videos on keyboard shortcuts you would like me to do, let me know in the description, and we'll keep it going. See you next time.